viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can delete or erase the history and the cache of your Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots at the right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Security. Now you can see here Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. Now here is the basic step. It will only delete your browsing history, cookies and cache. You can also select the time range here. Now in the advanced option, it will tell how many items are there in the specific time limit. Now select the 24 hours, 7 days, last 4 weeks. You can see the number of items are increasing in each type. Select all time. In all time it will erase from the beginning of the Google Chrome. Now select here and click on last store. Now select the categories you want to delete or remove. There's no download history, so I will uncheck it. Now if you are good with it, click on clear data. Now your data is erased. Now if you want to check the history if it is deleted or not, just simply go there back and you can see there is a browsing history is written as none, download history is none, from one side data is the one I'm using, and the cache memory is cleared and all good. But that's how you clear your browsing data. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.